What is an insurance deductible? In the insurance world, there is so much to learn and explore, which can be a very big deal. Today at Insurance Reassurance, we are going to break down what an insurance deductible is. In this video, the information will cover the following topics. What exactly is an insurance deductible and why do they exist? Does my deductible affect my premium? And what is the correct deductible? Some more important takeaways will be how does my home insurance deductible work and how does my car insurance deductible work, as these are all important components of an insurance deductible. We know this is information we all may be wondering at one point of our life, so with that being said, let's not waste any more time and let's jump straight into the video. There are a ton of elements to consider with regards to your home and auto insurance. At times it can feel like a difficult exercise between ensuring you have the correct coverage, which is very significant, and attempting to get the lowest cost. You don't really need to surrender one for another. Deductibles can help transform this back and forth into a mutually advantageous arrangement. Yet, what are deductibles? We'll take it from here to clarify what deductibles mean for both your home and car policies. It's less complex than you might suspect. What's a deductible and why do they exist? So, what is an insurance deductible and why do they exist? In insurance terms, a deductible is the amount that you're responsible for paying in the event of a claim. In the event that the loss is covered by your policy, your insurance will at that point kick in to cover the remainder. For instance, if your policy's deductible is $1,000 and you have a loss under your policy that costs $10,000, you'll pay $1,000 and your insurer will deal with the remaining $9,000. In any case, this additionally implies that in the event that you had a misfortune worth under $1,000, it wouldn't be covered by your policy in this example. In spite of the fact that you most likely wish that you didn't need to pay a deductible in the first place, they exist to help keep the cost of your insurance down. On the off chance that we didn't have them, there would be a great deal of small claims which would increase everybody's premiums. Besides, deductibles go about as an additional incentive for you to take great care of your home and car. Does my deductible affect my premium? Does my deductible affect my premium, you may ask? Indeed. On the off chance that you pick a lower deductible, you'll be paying more in premium. However, be ready to pay less in the event of a claim. Then again, on the off chance that you pick a higher deductible, you'll pay less in premium. However, more if you somehow happen to have a claim. In any case, you'll probably be paying less in the event that you needed to cover a major loss by yourself. What is the correct deductible for me? You may wonder what is the correct deductible for yourself. Your insurance company will offer you at least one choice for your deductible. For instance, you may have a set deductible of $1,000, or you might have the option to pick between $500, $1,000, or $2,000. The entirety of this will rely upon your insurer, what you're insuring, and other factors. However, with regards to which amount you should pick whenever given the opportunity, it's up to you. Ask yourself how much you are okay with paying if something happened. Taking on a higher deductible may appear to be enticing to hold your insurance payments down. However, it could place you in a dilemma should you need to make a claim down the road. Everybody's financial comfort level is different, and yours will probably change after some time. Fortunately, you can normally change your policy's deductibles both during your policy term and at renewal. Likewise, remember that renting or financing your car will influence the coverage you need, including what your deductibles can and can't be. Look at your rent or financing agreement to ensure you meet the requirements. You don't want to lose your car for having the wrong coverage. How does my home insurance deductible work? Now, moving on to home insurance deductibles. How does a home insurance deductible work, you may ask? Let's answer this. Do you always need to pay when you have a claim? Not really. With home insurance, the size of the claim can decide whether you need to pay your deductible or not, except in the case of earthquake coverage. Many home insurance companies offer a deductible waiver, which implies that once a claim goes over a specific amount, you won't need to pay the deductible. This amount can vary among insurers as well as depend upon your level of coverage. At the point when a claim occurs, a claims adjuster will work with you and different professionals to decide the cost of the loss and if it's covered. In the event that you do need to pay a deductible under your home policy, nonetheless, the type of claim will likewise determine the amount you're accountable for paying. It very well may be a set amount, like in the examples mentioned above, or it very well may be a percentage. Get comfortable with your home policy so you're not shocked in case of a claim. How does my car insurance deductible work? Now let's talk about your car insurance deductible. On the off chance that you have physical damage coverage on your car, this will imply that you'll have a deductible, or two. Numerous individuals go with the mix of collision and comprehensive coverage for their vehicle. With this coverage combo, there will be independent deductibles for both your collision coverage and comprehensive coverage. For instance, you could convey a $500 collision deductible, which would apply in an accident when you're at fault, and a $300 comprehensive deductible, which would apply in other events, for example, if your car was stolen or vandalized. Keep in mind, based on your insurance provider's rules, they may pick these amounts for you, or you may get to make the final decision. Be sure to consult with your insurance provider to get all the final details before moving forward. There are additional cases under your car policy where you might not need to pay. For instance, on the off chance that you have comprehensive coverage and experience a stone chip in your windshield, this could be fixed without expecting to pay out of pocket. The equivalent goes for fire and lightning damage under your auto policy in all provinces or states, or if your whole vehicle is stolen in certain provinces or states. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed our video, hit that like button. It really helps us out here and it allows us to continue to make the content that you crave. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you can be alerted to when our next video goes up. We will see you next time, right here on Insurance Reassurance.